On the 6th day before Christmas, Paulie's kitchen recipe: cabbage cooked in butter, creamy mashed potato, orange glazed carrots, caraway and parsnips, Brussels in bacon, pork stuffing balls, piggies in blankets. Hi, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. It's the festive edition. So today's recipe is pigs in blankets. It's really quick, it's really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But on a serious note, if you haven't liked, comment or subscribed yet, please do, because I'd really appreciate that. Cheers. So guys, everything for this recipe that you will need is right here. This one's only 2 ingredients and it's a well-loved British Christmas Day side. And I don't know who doesn't have pigs in blankets on their Christmas Day table. So guys, I'm going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these. Let's take our bacon. Let's take our sausages. All we need to do is we need to take a sheet of bacon and we take our sausage and then just wrap it around like that. We're going to take our baking tray like this. Let's move that there, pop that there. What I am going to do though, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on our baking tray. And that will help them not to stick. Let's pop that there. Just going to take our pastry brush, just going to give that a nice brush. There we go, lovely. And we're just going to put our pigs in blankets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this with all 10 sausages. There was this one year when I decided that I was going to pan fry the sausages, because I prefer pan fried sausages, they're so much nicer. And I was going to pan fry the bacon and I was going to wrap them up and then serve them straight away like that. And it just didn't work. It just did not work. They were not pigs in blankets, they were like pigs getting out of bed, is what they really were. So all the piggies are wrapped up in their blankets, nice and tight, and what we're going to do is we're going to pop this in the oven, gas mark 6, 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. See you in 10 minutes. So yeah guys, our pigs in blankets have been in the oven for about 15 minutes now, so we're going to pull them out of the oven and see what they look like. Just going to pop that there. They look absolutely delicious. Just going to pop them on the plate. I would arguably say that a pigs in blanket is probably one of the best loved recipes in Britain for Christmas Day. I love these, absolutely love them. So yeah guys, that's how you do pigs in blankets. Really simple to do and really quick to make. That's all we've got time for today, but thank you for tuning in. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, I hope you're inspired, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.